So we will cook these potatoes, tomatoes, the salt and the red chili flakes, right? We will cover the lid on top after putting all these ingredients. Cook it for another 10 minutes on the medium flame. So we are cooking this another 10 minutes, and after 10 minutes so I added spring onion, 3 of them in 3 potatoes. I added half tablespoon of dried parsley for our beautiful and delicious tomato and potato recipe. So here it is, guys. We are almost done. Alright, we will cover it with the lid, put the heat on very medium flame, cover it, as I said, cover it with the lid, medium flame for next 10 minutes. So it has been 15 minutes of cooking this, so we will wait another 10 minutes, and after this the best tomato potato recipe. Okay, it's all done. I have shared the whole clip with you. Take a Dorito chip, spicy Dorito chip, get a potato with the tomato and the seasonings right on top, and here it's hot, but I'll take the first bite for you guys. Yum, yum, yum. This is the Born Hungry recipe right here. You can enjoy all the flavors with corn chips, corn tacos, or corn tostadas. It's all wonderful. The best flavorful carbohydrates you can ever find. and it's all natural, organic. If you don't like the extras for this beautiful meal, it just melts in your mouth. Take a look here. You press it and it start melting. The whole time frame of this cooking was under 25 minutes, and you can have this beautiful mouth melting potatoes with the ingredients and the tomatoes recipe I showed you guys. Do try this recipe, guys. I have shared with all my love for you guys. If you like it, like the video. If you want to try it, or if you are planning to try this recipe, share this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Until then, take care of yourself. Bye bye for now. Let me enjoy this snack dish. You can call it a meal dish if you're on a diet. Corn chips with this recipe, best. I'm using the chili lime corn chip. Oh wow, take a look here. It's all for you. All for you. Bye bye for now.